Anna, the sun is very hot today.
Yes, Mark. The sun is warm. I like the warm sun on my skin.
The beach is beautiful. The sand is white. The water is blue.
I love this beach. The sand is soft under my feet. The water looks cool.
Do you want to go in the water?
Not now. I want to lie here. The sun lounger is comfortable.
I am standing here. My feet are hot on the sand.
Come here, Mark. Sit on the sand next to me.
The sand is very hot. It burns my feet.
Put your towel on the sand, then sit on your towel.
Good idea. My towel is blue. Your towel is red.
Yes, my red towel is big. It covers the sun lounger.
Now I sit on my blue towel. The sand is still warm, but not hot.
The sun feels good on my face. My skin is getting brown.
You look good with brown skin. But be careful, the sun is strong.
I have sun cream on my skin. The sun cream protects me.
That is good. Sun cream is important. I have sun cream too.
The beach is not very busy today. There are not many people.
I see some people in the water. They are swimming.
Swimming looks fun. The water is blue and clear.
Yes, the water is very clear. I can see fish in the water.
Really? What color are the fish?
The fish are yellow and blue. They are small fish.
I want to see the fish, but I want to stay warm in the sun.
We can go to the water later. Now we can relax here.
I like to relax on the beach. It is peaceful here.
The waves make a nice sound. The waves go in and out.
Yes, I hear the waves. The sound is relaxing.
The wind is light today. It is not strong.
The light wind feels good. It cools my skin a little.
Do you want a drink? I am thirsty.
Yes, I want water. I have water in my bag.
Where is your bag?
My bag is under my sun lounger. It is a green bag.
I see your green bag. My bag is next to your bag.
What color is your bag?
My bag is black. It has my water and my phone.
Good. Water is important on hot days.
Yes, we need to drink water. The sun makes us thirsty.
I drink my water now. The water is cool and good.
I drink my water too. Now I feel better.
Look at the clouds in the sky. They're white and fluffy.
The clouds are beautiful. They move slowly across the blue sky.
Sometimes the clouds cover the sun. Then it is cooler.
Yes, when clouds cover the sun, we have shade.
I like the sun, but shade is nice too.
The beach has some palm trees. They give shade.
The palm trees are tall and green. They look tropical.
This place feels like paradise. The beach is perfect.
I agree. This is a perfect day for the beach.
What time is it now?
I look at my phone. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
We have been here for 2 hours. Time goes fast.
Yes, time goes fast when we are happy and relaxed.
Are you hungry? I'm getting hungry.
A little bit, but I want to stay here longer.
We can eat later. The sun is still good.
Yes, let's stay. The sun feels wonderful.
I see a boat on the water. It is far away.
Is it a big boat or a small boat?
It is a small boat. It has white sails.
Sailing looks fun. The boat moves with the wind.
Maybe we can try sailing one day.
That would be nice. But today, I just want to relax.
Relaxing is good too. We work hard every day.
Yes, we need days like this. Days to rest and enjoy.
The beach makes me feel calm and happy.
Me too. I feel peaceful here.
Anna, do you want to walk on the beach?
Yes, that sounds nice. A short walk.
We can walk along the water. The wet sand is cooler.
Good idea. Let me get up from my sun lounger.
Take your time. I wait for you.
I am ready now. Let's walk together.
The wet sand feels good under my feet. It is cool and soft.
Yes, the waves wash the sand. It makes the sand smooth.
Look at the shells on the beach. They are pretty.
I see white shells and pink shells. Can we collect some?
Of course. Let's find the most beautiful shells.
Here is a big white shell. It is very smooth.
That is a nice shell. I find a pink one here.
Your pink shell is beautiful. It has stripes.
We can take these shells home. They will remind us of today.
Good idea. I put the shells in my pocket.
The water touches our feet. It is cool and refreshing.
The cool water feels good. My feet were getting hot.
Small waves come and go. They tickle our feet.
I like the feeling of water on my feet. It is fun.
The beach goes on for a long way. It is a big beach.
Yes, we can walk for a long time here.
But let's not walk too far. We need to go back to our things.
You're right. Our bags are back there.
We can see our red and blue towels from here.
Yes, I see them. They look small from here.
Should we turn around now?
Let's walk a little more, just to that rock there.
I see the rock. It is gray and big.
The rock looks interesting. Maybe we can sit on it.
We walk to the rock together. The sand is warm here.
The rock is smooth. We can sit here for a minute.
The view from the rock is beautiful. We can see the whole beach.
Yes, we can see everything from here. The water, the sand, the trees.
This is a perfect spot for photos.
Do you have your phone?
No, my phone is in my bag back there.
That's okay. We can remember this view in our minds.
Yes, this is a special moment. Just you and me and the beautiful beach.
I am happy we came here today.
Me too. This is a wonderful day. Now we walk back to our towels.
Yes, let's go back. I want to lie in the sun again.
The walk was nice. My legs feel good.
Exercise is good, but now I want to relax again.
Here are our towels. Everything is still here.
Good. I lie down on my red towel again.
I sit on my blue towel. The sand is still warm.
The sun is lower in the sky now, but it is still warm.
Yes, the afternoon sun is nice. Not too hot, not too cool.
Perfect temperature for sunbathing.
Do you want more sun cream?
Yes, please. The sun cream wears off in the water.
Here is the sun cream. Put it on your arms and face.
Thank you. Sun cream is very important.
I put sun cream on my shoulders too.
Good. We don't want red, burned skin.
Red skin hurts. Brown skin is better.
Yes, slowly brown skin is healthy and pretty.
The beach is getting busier now. More people are coming.
I see families with children. The children play in the sand.
Children love the beach. They build sand castles.
Sand castles are fun. Do you remember building sand castles?
Yes, when I was a child, I built many sand castles.
Me too. I used buckets and spades to build castles.
Maybe we can build a sand castle later.
That sounds fun. Like being children again.
Being childlike is good sometimes. It makes us happy.
Yes, play is important for adults too.
The sun is making me sleepy. I feel very relaxed.
Beach days make people sleepy. It is the sun and the sea air.
Maybe I close my eyes for a few minutes.
That's a good idea. I might rest my eyes too.
The sound of the waves helps me relax.
Yes, the waves are like music. Natural music.
This has been a perfect beach day.
Yes, perfect weather, perfect company.
Thank you for coming to the beach with me today.
Thank you for bringing me here. I love spending time with you.
We should come back here again soon.
Definitely. This is our special beach now.
Our special place by the sea.
Our piece of paradise.